Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years. Taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I proceed guys, below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes and YouTube classes on Unacademy platform. And please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my sessions guys. You get notifications of all my classes. Okay, and use that I repeat myself, below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform, which I do in detail. Alright, now let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription. These are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. In fact, for 2022 as well. Okay, and for 12 months it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. 6 months with this referral code, enter this referral code, you get 10% off. 6 months it's 10125, that is 1688 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off, and per month 2250. You get premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions. Quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, that is daily practice paper, full and mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription, that is single subscription unlimited access. Alright guys, let's move to the questions. Hi Shubram, good morning. Alright guys, now let me take this as I. Okay, I is equal to integration of 0 e to pi. Integration e to pi, and then you get x into f of x dx. Okay, let's call equation 1. I'm going to use the property using a to b f of x dx. Using a to b f of x dx is equal to, this should equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. A plus b minus x dx. That is, change x to lower plus upper minus x. So this becomes I is equal to integration of e to pi. Change x to lower plus upper minus x. This becomes e plus pi minus x. Okay, and then f of, take this in a bracket, again lower plus upper minus x. Lower plus upper minus x. Now this becomes I is equal to integration of e to pi. E to pi, now if you simplify this, this will be equal to e plus pi minus x. E plus pi minus x. And f of e plus pi minus x, it's already given, that is equal to f of x. So let me substitute here. This is equal to f of x. I repeat myself guys, it's mentioned that f of e plus pi minus x is same as fx. Now if I open the bracket, separate them, this is e to pi, e plus pi f of x dx. Okay, minus integration of e to pi, and then you get x into f of x dx. Okay, so this becomes I is equal to e plus pi is a constant. E plus pi is a constant, this is e to pi, and then you have f of x dx. F of x dx minus I. E to pi and then f of x dx. F of x dx minus I. Right, this will be same as I from equation 1. I'm going to shift this on the left side. So this becomes 2i. 2i is equal to e plus pi. 2i is equal to e plus pi and integration of e to pi. e to pi and then f of x dx. So you get 2i is equal to e plus pi. Is it not? So what's mentioned, guys? E to pi f of x dx. How much is that? 2 divided by e by pi na. So if I substitute here, you will get 2 divided by e plus pi. So this e plus pi will get cancelled. Cancel 2. Okay, so I have 2i is equal to 2. Cancel this 2 as well. You will get I is equal to 1. That's the answer, guys. I will be equal to 1. Okay, answer will be option C. Let's move to the next question. Minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Okay, log of sec x tan x dx. This property boards you have done minus a to plus a. Minus a to plus a f of x dx will be equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if fx is even. If fx is even, and then this is 0 if fx is odd. If fx is odd, f of minus x is equal to plus f of x, then it's called an even function. And f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, then it is called an odd function. Alright. So property number 5 you have already done in boards. In fact, for PUC students you get that property for 6 marks. So this is minus a to plus a f of x dx form. So let me check whether it is even or odd. So function of theta will be equal to, this will be equal to log of sec theta minus tan theta. This will be equal to f of theta. F of minus theta will be equal to, okay, log of sec of minus theta, and then minus tan of minus theta. Okay, now this can be written as f of minus theta will be equal to log of sec of minus theta will be equal to sec theta, and tan of minus theta will be equal to plus tan theta. Okay, now this can also be written as f of log of, okay, watch out carefully. This can be written as sec plus tan. This can be written as sec plus tan. Okay, into I'm going to write sec minus tan. Into sec minus tan, and I'm going to divide by sec minus tan. I just multiply and divide by sec minus tan theta. Okay, so this is f of theta. Let me separate this. Now this is f of minus theta. Okay, is equal to, numerator will be equal to log of a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. This is sec square minus tan square. Sec square minus tan square. In the denominator you will get this as sec minus tan. Okay, anyway sec square minus tan square will be 1. So this is equal to log of, okay, 1 upon sec minus tan. Sec minus tan. See, when you have suppose log of 1 by x, log of 1 by x is same as minus log x. Okay, now log of 1 by sec minus tan will be equal to minus log of sec minus tan. Minus log of sec minus tan, so that's equal to minus f of theta. This will be same as f of minus, you keep as it is, this is theta, this is f of theta, because f of theta is log of sec minus tan, is it not? Now I am actually getting f of minus theta will be equal to minus f of theta. So this means that f of theta is odd. If f of theta is odd, obviously this is 0. This value will be equal to 0. Answer will be equal to option A. Let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 3. 0 to pi by 4 log of sine plus cos divided by cos dx. Okay, this is 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi upon 4 log of, right? Now if I do reverse LCM, you get this as sine plus cos. Sine plus cos by cos is 1. Okay, so this is 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, you get log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. It's a standard result, right? You need to remember that result, guys. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta is actually pi by 8 into log 2. It's pi by 8 into log 2. That result you have to remember. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx will be equal to pi by 8 into log 2. Okay, now minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 dx divided by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Okay, now this can be written as minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 dx divided by, okay, 1 plus cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x. Half is a constant, I'm going to take out. This is equal to minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Okay, 1 by cos is equal to sec. You will get this as sec square x dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 times. It's an even function. If you want, you write 2 times. Otherwise, you would integrate directly, no problem. Integration of sec square x is tan x between the limits minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. So this is equal to half of upper limit will be equal to tan 45 minus lower limit will be equal to tan of minus 45. Is it not, guys? So this will be equal to 1 upon 2. Tan 45 will be 1. Tan minus 45 will be minus 1. So you get this as half of this 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. You cancel, you get 1. Answer will be option B. No, Shivaram. Answer. Yeah, good morning, Raju. Answer will be 1. 2 and 2 cancels. Answer should be equal to 1 only. Alright, let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 5. Minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Sin x to the power of 103 cos x to the power of 101 dx. Okay, just now I taught you this property. Minus a to plus a f of x dx is even. If f of x is even, then 2 times. If it is odd, then it is 0. Just now we did. Alright, now let's use that concept, guys. Alright, question number 5. Okay, now f of x is equal to yes, Amog, right. F of x is equal to sin x to the power of power of 103 and cos x to the power of 101. Okay, now f of minus x will be equal to sin of minus x whole to the power of 103 and cos of minus x whole to the power of 101. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So this is minus sin x to the power of 101. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. This is cos x to the power of 101. You get f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Okay, so this means that f of x is odd. F of x is odd. If it is odd, then minus a to plus a will be equal to 0. Answer will be equal to option A. Yes, guys, let's move to the next question. 0 to pi by 2 sin per 100 cos per 100. Sin per 1000 sin upon sin per 1000 plus cos per 1000. See, no need to do this problem. Alright, now watch out carefully. There are 4 questions like this in NCERT textbook, which always comes in standard form, okay, which can be derived using the King's rule, King's property. Whenever limit should always be 0 to pi by 2. This is f of x to the power of n divided by f of x to the power of n divided by f of x to the power of n plus f of pi by 2 minus x. For pi by 2 minus x whole to the power of n dx, answer will always be equal to pi by 4. N can be any power. You understand? You compare this and this. It is sin x to the power of n, sin x to the power of n. Sin of pi by 2 minus x will be equal to cos x. Answer will always be equal to pi by 4. Okay, let me give you some other examples as well. Limit should, let's say limit is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and then you have here tan x to the power of, yes, pi by 4. Yes, Shivram, tan x to the power of 3 by 2. Here I have tan x to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, plus cot x to the power of 3 by 2. Tan and cot with any power, right, answer will be equal to pi by 4 only. Similarly, limit should be equal to 0 to pi by 2. If I have suppose sec x to the power of n upon sec x to the power of n, use this techniques guys, very good technique. Sec x to the power of n, cosec x to the power of n with any power, answer will be equal to pi by 4 only. Got it? This will be the general form. This will be the general form guys, where limit is 0 to pi by 2 f of x power n f of pi divided by f of x power n f of pi by 2 minus x whole power n. That will be the general result. Answer will always be equal to pi by 4. Okay, now listen, even there is a result for this. Limit should be a to b. Limit will be equal to a to b f of x to the power of n divided by f of x to the power of n. Okay, here you get f of a plus b minus x whole power n. Lower limit plus upper limit minus x whole power n. Lower plus upper minus x whole power n. Answer will always be equal to b minus a by 2. This and this is the same form. Okay, f of x power n. This is also f of x to the power of n. F of lower plus upper minus x. 10 you keep as it is. This is lower plus upper minus x. If you open the bracket, you will get this as x only. Is it not guys? Answer will always be equal to b minus a upon 2. So if I use this logic guys, b minus a upon 2, that's equal to 8 minus 2 upon 2. That's equal to 3. Answer will be equal to 3. Okay, there's a question in NCERT. Let me tell you, listen. This is NCERT worked out example. Limit will be equal to pi by 3 to pi by 6. Pi by 6 to pi by 3. Lower limit is pi by 6. Upper limit is pi by 3. Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus root of tan x dx. Worked out example of NCERT. No, pi by 4, Shivram, no. Okay, root tan x dx. Limit is 0 to pi by 2, then it is pi by 4. Okay, let me tell you guys, listen. This is pi by 6 to pi by 3. Okay, 1 upon root tan x can be written as root sine by root cos. Root sine by root cos. Cross multiply and shift to numerator. If I cross multiply and shift to numerator, this becomes pi by 6 to pi by 3. Okay, this is root cos x upon root cos x plus root sine x. Okay, and then dx. Right, once I'm done this, okay, limit should always be, limit will be equal to a to b. This is f of x to the power of n. Even this is f of x to the power of n. Okay, and then plus f of a plus b minus x whole power n. F of a plus b minus x whole power n. Answer will be equal to b minus a by 2. So here the answer with this and this is same form. Okay, answer is b minus a by 2. So this is pi by 3 minus pi by 6 divided by 2. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6 is pi by 6 divided by 2. That's equal to pi upon 12. This is NCERT worked out example only. Do normal method. To use this a to b f of x. Change x to lower plus upper minus x. Simplify, you get this answer. Answer will be direct answer. Shortcut will be b minus a by 2. Let's move to the next question guys. Okay, 2019 question. In fact, this was asked in JEE Main as well. This is KCET 2019 question. Okay, minus pi by 2 to pi by plus pi by 2 dx upon e power cos x plus sin x. If it is neither even nor odd, I repeat myself, it should be neither even nor odd. Then minus a to plus a f of x dx will be equal to integration of 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x, then close the bracket and then dx. Okay, now if I use this very important property, right, now you have integration of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay, 1 upon e power sin x plus 1 dx will be equal to integration 0 to a, right, f of x. What is f of x now? F of x is equal to 1 upon e power sin x plus 1, and f of minus x will be equal to 1 upon e to the power of sin of minus x plus 1. Okay, that is same as 1 upon minus sin x plus 1. So f of x will be equal to 1 upon e to the power of sin x plus 1 plus 1 upon e to the power of minus sin x plus 1, sin x plus 1 and then dx. Okay, now if I simplify, guys, limit will be equal to 0 to a. Here limit should be equal to 0 to pi by 2. Here the limit will be 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now note this. So it's equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and then here I get 1 upon e to the power of sin x plus 1. Okay, plus 1 upon, if I shift to denominator, you get 1 per e per sin x plus 1. Sin x plus 1 and then dx. Cross multiply and shift to numerator. Limit will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. 1 upon e to the power of sin x, okay, plus 1. If I cross multiply and shift to numerator, e per sin x divided by 1 plus e to the power of sin x. Okay, close the bracket and then this dx. Is it not? Now this is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2, LCM will be equal to e per sin x plus 1. Denominator the same, numerators can be added, 1 plus e to the power of sin x. Okay, and then dx. This will cancel. Integration of dx is x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit will be equal to pi by 2, lower limit is 0, answer will be equal to pi by 2. That's the answer, guys. Answer will be equal to pi by 2. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Minus 5 to plus 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. Okay, that's equal to, see, if I equate this to 0, I get the root as minus 2. Okay, now property 3 of definite integrals. When you have, suppose, integration of a to b f of x dx, a to b f of x dx can be written as a to c plus c to b. A to b can be written as a to c and c to b. C lies between lower limit and upper limit. C lies between lower limit and upper limit. So this is c, minus 2. So minus 5 to plus 5 can be written as minus 5 to minus 2. Minus 5 to minus 2. Okay, and then this is minus 2 to plus 5. And mod of x plus 2 dx. Is it not, guys? Yeah. Now we all know that mod x is equal to x. Mod x is equal to x when x is positive. And then this is minus x if x is negative. Is it not? So mod of x plus 2. Mod of x plus 2 will be equal to x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to minus 2. And then this is minus of x plus 2 when x is less than minus 2. Is it not? So between minus 5 and minus 2, obviously it is less than minus 2. So this will be negative. This will be negative. And between minus 2 and plus 5 will be more than 2. Obviously this will be positive. Okay, now this is minus 5 to minus 2. Mod x will be equal to minus x. Okay, and then integration of minus 2 to plus 5. This will be positive, x plus 2. This will be positive. Right? Now integration of x will be equal to x square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, between the limits What's the limit, guys? Between the limits minus 5 to minus 2. Okay, and then plus integration of x is equal to x square by 2. Okay, between the limits plus x square by 2, between the limits minus 2 to 5. Is it okay? Now if I simplify, guys, half is a constant I'm going to take out. If I substitute upper limit, minus 2 plus 2 the whole square. This will be upper limit. Lower limit is minus 5 plus 2 the whole square. This will be minus 5 plus 2 the whole square. Plus 1 upon 2. Upper limit is equal to 5 plus 2 the whole square. Lower limit will be equal to minus 2 plus 2 the whole square. Anyways, this will cancel. Even this fellow will get cancelled. Minus and minus is plus. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3 the whole square is 9. So this is 9 by 2 plus 49 by 2. Okay, so you get 58 upon 2. That's equal to 29. You get answer as plus 29. Answer will be option C. Good question. Okay, let's do one more question, guys. 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by a square cos square b square sin square. Okay, so you divide the numerator and denominator by cos square x. Okay, let me tell you this. Whenever you have integrals of the form dx divided by a plus b cos square, whether it is CET, JEE, mains, advanced, what it may be, a plus b cos square, integrals of the form dx divided by a plus b sin square, and integrals of the form dx divided by a cos square plus b sin square and plus c. You should always divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Divide numerator denominator by cos square x. So if I divide numerator denominator by cos square x, integration 0 to pi by 2. 1 divided by cos square. Okay, and then sin square, this is sin square upon cos square. Sin square upon cos square, this is b square. Cos square will get cancelled. 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 1 by cos is equal to sec. You get sec square x dx. Divided by b square plus, this can be written as a square tan square x the whole square. Is it not, guys? A square tan square x the whole square. Now this is 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Numerator will be equal to sec square x. Okay, divided by, this is equal to b square. A square tan square x can be written as a tan x the whole square. Okay, now see, guys, I am going to divide by 2 and multiply by 2. No need to substitute, change the limit, nothing. Divide by a and multiply by a. Okay, divide by a and multiply by a. And then this is equal to b square plus t square. Okay, now 1 by a you keep as it is. This is 0 to pi by, what am I doing? This is a tan x the whole square. This is a tan x the whole square. Okay, so this can be written otherwise. Okay, fine. This is equal to d into a tan x. D into a tan x is equal to a sec square x only. So b square plus a tan x the whole square. You understood, guys? Now this is of the form integration dx divided by a square plus x square. Formula will be equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So this is equal to 1 upon a. So this is 1 by b tan inverse of x by b. Tan inverse of a tan x. A tan x divided by b between the limit 0 to pi by 2. If you substitute upper limit, this is 1 by ab. Upper limit is tan inverse of tan 90 is infinity. Lower limit tan inverse of 0 will be 0 only. Anyways, this is 0. You get 1 upon ab. Tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2. You get pi divided by 2ab. That's the first option. So, please subscribe and enable the bell icon, guys, so that you get notifications for all my classes. And below the description box, there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform, which I do in detail. Alright, so my next YouTube class will be on 17th of this month at 11:30 a.m. Alright, please do join me, guys. Please watch, like, and share my video. Thanks for joining, guys. God bless you. Bye.